Life doesn't come with a manual, but it might as well come with cheat codes. Today, I'm handing you 20 real-life hacks, tricks, tactics, and psychological loopholes that'll make life smoother, relationships better, and even unlock secret upgrades in daily situations. These are tools that seem unfair because they kind of are. 1. Use the Ben Franklin effect to gain allies. Ask someone to do you a small favor, and they'll feel more positively about you afterward. It sounds backward, but when someone invests effort in you, their brain justifies it by thinking, I must like them, or I wouldn't have helped. Ben Franklin used this to turn rivals into supporters, and it still works 300 years later. 2. The name trick for instant likability. People are biologically wired to respond positively to their own names. It activates unique areas of the brain. Slip someone's name naturally into a compliment or thank you, and it increases your charm factor instantly. But use it sparingly, or you'll come off like a salesman reading a script. 3. Don't ask for help, ask for advice. When you say, "Can I get your advice?" it makes people feel smart and valued. You're not just asking for time, you're appealing to their wisdom and experience. Plus, people who give advice feel more committed to your success. 4. Nervous? Chew gum. It sounds silly, but chewing gum sends signals to your brain that everything's safe. It mimics eating, and we don't eat when we're in danger, so anxiety fades. Use it before interviews, dates, or presentations for a quick calming effect. 5. Use silence to win arguments. Once you make a strong point, stop talking. Silence makes people uncomfortable, and they'll often fill it by agreeing, apologizing, or revealing more than they intended. It shows confidence, like you don't need to say more to be right. 6. Stand like a superhero before stressful events. Standing tall with your chest open for 2 minutes boosts testosterone and lowers cortisol, your stress hormone. It's called power posing, and studies show it can actually change your brain chemistry. Before a big moment, find a quiet spot and pose like Wonder Woman or Superman. 7. The door in the face technique. Ask for something outrageously large, then scale it back to what you really want. People are more likely to agree because they feel like you're compromising. It's used in marketing all the time, and you can use it in daily negotiations too. 8. Want to be more memorable? Break the pattern. Most conversations follow predictable scripts. Hi, how are you? Good, you? If you answer with a surprising twist or ask a different question, people remember you. Breaking the pattern creates a mini memory spike in their brain. 9. Beat procrastination with the 5-minute rule. Convince your brain to start a task by saying, just 5 minutes. Often the momentum kicks in and you keep going long after. It removes the pressure of starting, which is where most people fail. 10. Say you're right instead of I know. When someone shares something you already know, resist the urge to say I know. Instead, say you're right. It validates their point and makes them feel heard. You win social points without sounding smug. 11. Keep your coffee cup on your desk during meetings. Holding or displaying a warm drink subconsciously makes people view you as warmer and friendlier. This is based on studies in embodied cognition, where physical warmth connects to emotional warmth. Try this subtle trick in job interviews, team meetings, or first dates. 12. Ask for a person's opinion instead of bragging. Rather than say, I'm good at this, say, I'd love your thoughts on this. People are more likely to praise your work when you invite their perspective. It's a softer, more effective way to highlight your strengths. 13. Want upgrades at hotels? Arrive late. Hotel staff know their room inventory best after 6 p.m. Dress well, smile, and say, any complimentary upgrades available tonight? You'd be shocked how often it works, especially if the hotel isn't full. 14. Take notes by hand. It may feel old-fashioned, but handwriting forces your brain to process and retain information deeply. Typing tends to be passive. You transcribe without thinking. Handwritten notes lead to better memory, understanding, and even creativity. 15. Trick your brain into confidence. Dress 10% better than required. Dressing slightly better than the setting standard gives you a subconscious edge. People treat you with more respect, and you start to believe you deserve it. It's one of the cheapest confidence boosters there is. 16. Put a mirror behind you during tense conversations. When people can see themselves, they tend to soften their behavior. It triggers self-awareness, especially in negotiations or confrontations. Some businesses even place mirrors near customer service desks for this reason. 17. Always give two options. Instead of asking, "Do you want to go out?" ask, "Would you prefer Italian or sushi tonight?" This gives the illusion of control while guiding the outcome. It's often used in parenting, sales, and leadership because it works. 18. Use the 3-second rule in social settings. When you hesitate more than 3 seconds, anxiety builds and excuses flood in. Approaching within that window keeps your confidence intact. Whether it's networking, dating, or speaking up, act before your brain overthinks it. 19. Compliment people behind their back. When someone hears you praise them when they weren't around, it builds deep trust. It feels more authentic because there's no obvious benefit for you. Word gets around, and your reputation levels up without effort. 20. Smile with your eyes, not just your mouth. Fake smiles only involve the mouth. Real smiles use the muscles around the eyes. These Duchenne smiles are subconsciously recognized and lead to stronger bonds. Practice in the mirror. A warm, eye-crinkling smile is a superpower. That's 20 real-life cheat codes downloaded straight into your brain. Which one are you trying first? Or better, which one already works for you? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if this video helped you, even a little, hit that like button so more people can discover these life upgrades. Don't forget to subscribe to Grow Theory. Until next time, keep playing life like you've got the master controller.